Right. Now, in the second question, we are saying using a scale of 2 centimeter to represent 1 unit on the x-axis for -3, x is greater or equal to -3, and x is less or equal to 3. And 2 centimeter to represent 10 units on the y-axis for y is greater or equal to -20, but less or equal to 20. Draw the graph of y is equal to x, open bracket, x squared minus 4x. In other words, they want us to draw that graph using the corresponding points, those. So my graph will come out like this. So in the x-axis, we have 1, 2, 3 in positive, then -1, -2, -3 in the negatives on the x-axis. For y-axis, we have -10, -20, and we have 10, 20. So what we are going to do next is to start plotting. So we'll start with -3. We have -3, 15, yeah? -3, -15. So in the x-axis, we are at -3. In the y-axis, we are at -15. So -15 is between 10 and 20. So we're going to count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So now this is where our 15 will be. So our first point will be there. Then the next one is -2, and our error, we have already found that error, which is question 1, but question that is question 11. That's the question 11, A. All right, part 1. So A part 1, we found our error is equal to 0. Okay, so our x is 0, so we have -2, 0, which is just that point. Okay, then after that we have -1, 3, -1, 3, and we come back here. In the x-axis is -1, and in the y is +3, so we're going to count 1, 2, 3. This is where our other point will be. Then we have another which is 0, and 0, it is this point here. Okay, then we have -1, +1, -3. +1 is right here, -3 is down. So we have 1, 2, 3. This is where -3 will be. Then we have 2, 0. 2, 0 in the x-axis we are 2, but in the y it is 0. So 2, 0 is at this point. Then the last one we have 3, 15. So this is our 3, and our 15 is up here. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so now how to plot our graph? It will go like this. Please, when you are plotting a graph, you use a pencil. It is advised to use a pencil. Okay, so this is just for illustration purposes. So now the graph will come out like this, right? The graph will come out like that. So we have just answered part 2. So this is our part 2. All right, now let's check out the next video as we answer now the 4 questions that follow, saying use your graph to solve the equations.